Good morning, children. As you know that we are about to start with geography. Okay. So in this video, I will be explaining you something about the map work. As I had already told you that what are the things which will be included in the map. So see there, first of all, you see what are the things you have to locate on the map. So come to the first page of the book, and that is where it is written syllabus. As you already know that in geography we are having two lessons, only two chapters in the first term. The first is maps and globes and the second is landform. And it is very clear, you should be very clear with it that the maps will come only from the second chapter, that is landform. Now, what I'm showing you, you can see in landforms under the heading syllabus, see the second chapter, some of the portions they are highlighted. So, the highlighted portions, they are the things which will be asked in maps. Okay. Now, under the mountains, as you know, they have already mentioned the names of the mountains, and all these things you have to locate on the physical world map. Okay, on the physical map of the world. After that, you can see the highlighted portion under the heading plateaus. So all these things also you have to mark on the physical world map. Then under that we are having another heading, and that is plains. This also you have to locate on the physical world map. So children, I think so you know what are the things which are to be located on the map, and you have to locate all these things on the map and then paste the map in your copies. Okay. So I think so these mountains and all, if you have a look in the book, it's already maps are there showing the mountain, Urals, Appalachians, Aravallis, etc. Then the Deccan Plateau in India, the Tibet Plateau, the East African plateaus which are in Tanzania, Uganda and Kenya. These areas, they are rich in mineral deposit. So in the map, they can ask you name any two areas rich in mineral deposits in Africa. So these things, then we are having the plains of North America and the Gangetic Plains of India. This also, all these things we have to locate on the world physical map. Understood this? Okay. Now children, as you know that we are how they can ask you to locate the things on the Google forms. Okay. So let us ask you. This is one way. Like in the book you have to mark and all. So you have to locate all the things in the same way as you used to locate the things in 5th standard. But since it is online exams now, so maybe they will have a different way to attempt the maps. So one of the way which I am explaining you, please be very attentive. This is the way in which they can ask you to attempt the paper in the Google forms. Okay. So see here. Suppose this is one way. The map will be there. Okay. And again, children, I am saying this is a method which maybe we have to apply in the exam, in the first term exam. So be very attentive, but in the copies you have to locate in the same way as you used to. So see, this is the way you have to, they can ask you in the exams. Okay. A physical world map will be there. Maybe there the alphabets will be written or the numbers might be written there 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the question paper, they will ask you to name the areas located on the map. This is one way in which they can ask you in the exam. Suppose you see it is written here A. In the question paper, it will be written name the continent. So you need not locate anything on the map, but you have to write the name of the continent on the answer sheet. Like for example, if it is written A and it is asked name the continent, so in answer you will be writing in the answer sheet Australia. In the same way in B, suppose here we are having B and they are asking you name the mountains. So which mountains it will be? Appalachians. Okay. Then in the C, maybe they are asking you name the country. So which is the country? India. So you will write India over there. D again, they may ask you name the mountain. So which it is? Urals. So you have to write the answer Ural. Then in the E, they may ask you name the ocean, and that will be Atlantic Ocean. Children, again be very clear with it that this is a way in which they can ask you in the exam, in the first term exam. Since it is online, so maybe this will be one of the way to locate the map or do the map work. But in the class work, you have to locate in the simple way as we used to do in the 5th standard, where there are Urals or Aravallis or Appalachians or anything. You have to write the name of the mountain and all in the map. So understood what I am saying? I think so you have understood. This what I have explained you to attempt, this they might ask you in the exam. But on the map which you are sticking in the notebooks, you have to locate the things in the simple way as we used to do in 5th standard and all. Okay? Understood? Still, if you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, children? So, this is a way in which they might ask you to, or this way is the way in which you have to locate the map in the exam, in the first term exam. Since it is online, so the way they can ask in this way. Okay? Understood all of you? Still, if you have any doubts, you may please ask me. Okay, children, so again I am saying we are having 2 chapters, and go through the chapter very minutely, read each and everything, because they may ask you anything from in between the chapters. They may be the definitions, the diagrams, or many other things from in between the chapter. So please be very attentive, and only 2 chapters are there, so limited they are, but they may ask you anything from in between the chapter. And other than this, if any doubts are there, you can ask me anytime. So, and I think so all the children, they have written the answers of landform, because most of the, like some of the children I have seen, they did not write the last or the second page of that answers, detailed answer. So, I think so now it is clear how you have to attempt the map. In the classwork notebook, same way as you used to locate the things earlier, but in the exam they can ask you in this way. Okay? Because since it is on the Google Forms and online, so they will be asking in this way as I have explained you. Thank you. Have a nice day.